My dear children, welcome to the EVS online class. How are you all? How was your exam? I hope all of you have written all the exams very well. From our semester 2 textbook, we have to study lesson 1, 3, 4 and 7. We have completed all those portions. So today let's revise lesson 7. What is the name of lesson 7? Yes, Climate of India. In this lesson, we discussed about the difference between weather and climate, the two main factors that determine the climate of a place, and the three main seasons of India. What is the difference between weather and climate? Yes, weather is the condition of the atmosphere at a place over a short period of time, whereas climate is the weather condition of a place over a long period of time. The two main factors that determine the climate of a place are altitude and distance from the sea. Altitude means height of a place above sea level. So when the height of a place increases, temperature decreases. The coastal areas have moderate climate because of the winds blowing from the sea. They are neither too hot nor too cold. Then we studied about the different seasons. What are seasons? Seasons are the periods into which a year is divided based on the weather patterns. So there are different seasons: spring, summer, autumn and winter. In India, there are three main seasons. Which are they? Summer, monsoon or rainy season and winter. Between monsoon and winter, there is a short span of autumn, and between winter and summer, there is a short span of spring. So the three main seasons of India are summer, monsoon and winter. Summer is the hot weather season. It starts in March and lasts till the arrival of monsoon rains during June. So March to June is the summer season. The hottest months are April and May. During summer, the days are longer and nights are shorter. Hot, dry winds called Lu blow during the season. Then next is monsoon or the rainy season. In India, monsoon is very important for the cultivation of crops. The monsoon winds brings rain to most parts of India during June, July and August. The Coromandel coast in southeastern India receive rainfall during October and November. Rainfall is not equally distributed. Some places receive heavy rainfall while some other places receive very little rainfall. The western coastal plains, the western Ghats and northeastern plains receive heavy rainfall. The Mawsynram in Meghalaya has recorded the highest rainfall in India. The Thar desert and the Rann of Kutch receive very little rainfall. Then next is winter. It is the cold season. It begins in November and lasts till February. So winter is from November to February in most places. January is the coldest month. During winter, the days are shorter and nights are longer. So that's all about the three main seasons of India: summer, monsoon or rainy season and winter. In this lesson, we studied about the difference between weather and climate, the two main factors that determine the climate of a place, and we also discussed about the three main seasons: summer, monsoon and winter. Read the textbook very well, study the notes. See you in the next class. Thank you.